right, so using this right here, you can go up, down. You could set up basically how round you want your edge to be. So I'm gonna just set it up right here for right now, and you can lock it in by turning this part. I am not a professional when it comes to using the router, all right? Y'all see me use the router, my battery power router, which is amazing. But now I have this electrical router for some time now. Ever since I had that Ryobi battery one, I had this one. It's just that now I want to go ahead and review this one. This little thing works fast. Wow. I can honestly say that that one seems faster than the Ryobi one. You guys, this thing cuts pretty daggone good. Now we have something that looks like a frame. That looks like a frame. Show y'all right here. Y'all can see the round edges. Now I know I cut into some of my picture a little bit, and also my wood is warped, okay? So if you see more color right here, you see how it's going color around and then it comes back in. That's because the wood is warped, all right? Don't know if y'all can see if the wood is warped or not, but let me see. No, you can't see it from there. It's going like this, like a backward C. But anyways, that don't bother me. So that is pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I was thinking about doing another coat on this. All right, you guys, we knocked out our Wu-Tang Forever, and it looks like an actual frame. So this is perfect, 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 perfect. Yeah, I love this. Right, we have the Wu-Tang. I'm not done taking off the paper. All right, you guys, so that is the final review with this router right here. Once again, I got this from Harbor Freight. It was like 30 bucks. If you want something to engrave in wood, this is a good tool for you if you like electrical. Once again, I got my Ryobi battery powered, but this is useful too. And that's it. Like, comment, and subscribe.